Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best subwoofers is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your audio setup. They bring a depth and richness to your music and movies that you simply can't get from standard speakers. From the rumble of a cinematic explosion to the subtle thrum of a bass guitar, a good subwoofer transforms your listening experience, making it more immersive and enjoyable. Number 5. Klipsch R100SW10 Subwoofer. This is the Klipsch R100SW, a subwoofer designed to deliver incredibly deep bass. It features a front-firing spun copper IMG woofer, ensuring a powerful and immersive audio experience. The R100SW boasts an all-digital amplifier. It provides 300 watts of peak power, ensuring that it can handle even the most demanding audio content with ease. This subwoofer offers volume, low-pass crossover, and phase control. These features allow you to fine-tune the sound to perfectly match your listening environment and preferences. It includes line-level LFE RCA inputs for maximum receiver compatibility. This makes it easy to integrate it into your existing home theater setup. The dimensions are 14.5x 12.5x 16.4. The frequency response is 32 Hz to 120 Hz - 3 dB. The amplifier power is 150W continuous and 300W peak. The amplifier features volume control, low-pass filter, 0 to 180 phase adjustment, and auto power on. These features make it user-friendly and adaptable to various setups. What we like. This subwoofer delivers incredibly deep bass thanks to its 10 front-firing woofer. It also features an all-digital amplifier, ensuring efficient power delivery. If you're looking for a subwoofer that provides a powerful and accurate low-end response for your home theater or music setup, you should consider this one. What people say. This unit is a 10, so a bit smaller than the Sony. I think it has a more detailed sound than the Sony did. Nice punchy bass for kick drums or LFEs in movies. The growl of the bass guitar is more defined too. This bad boy rattles the windows without touching the gain level. I paired it with a Sony receiver and Klipsch's HT50 surround speakers and it certainly fills the room. Powerful but not boomy. Very precise flat response from Denon receiver sub-out. Timbre matches well with medium poke audio fronts and center channel speakers. Number 4. Klipsch R120SW12 Subwoofer. Today, we're taking a look at the Klipsch R120SW Subwoofer. This powerful subwoofer is designed to deliver deep, impactful bass for your home theater or music listening experience. It's a great addition to any audio setup. This subwoofer features a 12-inch high-excursion spun copper woofer. This large woofer allows it to move a lot of air, resulting in a rich and dynamic bass response. It ensures you feel every beat and rumble. The R120SW has a frequency response of 29 Hz to 120 Hz, plus or minus 3 dB. This wide range allows it to reproduce the lowest frequencies with accuracy and detail. The result is a full and immersive sound. It boasts a peak amplifier power of 400 watts. This high power output ensures that it can deliver plenty of volume and impact. The subwoofer can handle even the most demanding audio content. The subwoofer utilizes a bass reflex design with a rear firing port. This design enhances the bass output and efficiency. It helps the subwoofer to deliver deep, powerful bass. Included with the subwoofer are a manual, a grill, and a power cord. Everything you need to get it set up and start enjoying your favorite movies and music. It's easy to install and use. What we like. This subwoofer boasts a 12 high excursion woofer and a 400 watt amplifier, delivering impressive power. The bass reflex design enhances the low frequency output. If you like a subwoofer that can fill a room with deep, impactful bass, this one is a great choice. What people say. The sound quality is spot on, the build quality is great, very easy to set up with my system. Design also fits well with my other system components. This subwoofer was delivered well packed, and in perfect condition. This subwoofer also works perfectly with absolutely no 60 Hz ground loop hum, distortion, cone snaps, crackles or pops, or chuffing out of the rear port. This subwoofer also runs cool even when pushed to higher volumes for extended periods. Number 3. MTX12 Dual 1200W Car Subwoofer and Amp Kit. This complete audio system is designed to deliver deep, impactful bass. It includes everything you need for a powerful sound experience in your car. Get ready to feel the music. The heart of this system is the MTX 12-inch subwoofer. It's preloaded in a durable enclosure, ensuring optimal performance. This subwoofer is built to handle serious power. With 400 watts RMS and 1200 watts peak power, this subwoofer delivers impressive sound. It provides a rich and immersive audio experience. You'll hear and feel every beat. The kit includes a monoblock amplifier, perfectly matched to power the subwoofer. The amplifier ensures efficient and clean power delivery. It's designed for optimal performance. A full 8-gauge amplifier wiring kit is included for easy installation. The kit provides all the necessary cables and connectors. Setting it up is straightforward. This system is designed for easy installation in your vehicle. With the included wiring kit and components, you can quickly upgrade your car audio. Enjoy the enhanced sound quality. What we like. This is a complete car audio kit, including a subwoofer, monoblock amplifier, and wiring. It simplifies the installation process. If you're looking to upgrade your car's sound system with a powerful bass setup without the hassle of sourcing individual components, you should consider this. What people say. The subwoofer has a sleek design that fits well with my existing home theater setup. The bass is powerful and clear, enhancing the overall audio experience. The subwoofer's auto-calibration feature made setup a breeze. Number 2. Skar Audio SDR Dual 12 Subwoofer Bass Package. Introducing the Skar Audio SDR Series Bass Package. This all-in-one system is designed to deliver powerful bass. It includes everything you need for a complete audio upgrade. This package boasts a peak power of 2,400 watts and 1,200 watts RMS. It's engineered for serious bass enthusiasts. You'll feel the difference with every beat. The package features a dual 12-inch loaded subwoofer enclosure. It's designed to maximize the performance of the subwoofers. This enclosure ensures deep, resonant bass. Included is a Skar Audio RP 1200.1D Class D amplifier. This amplifier provides the power needed to drive the subwoofers. It ensures the system performs at its best. The package also includes a 4-gauge premium OFC wiring kit. This kit ensures a clean and efficient power delivery. It makes installation straightforward and reliable. What we like. This package includes dual 12 subwoofers and a 1,200 watt RMS amplifier, delivering substantial power. The loaded enclosure simplifies setup. If you are looking for a powerful and easy-to-install bass upgrade for your car, this is a great option. What people say. The subwoofer has a sleek design that complements any home theater setup. The bass is deep and powerful, enhancing the overall audio experience. The subwoofer delivers clear and accurate sound reproduction. Number 1. Skar Audio EVL 2X12D4 Dual 12 Subwoofer Enclosure. Introducing the Skar Audio EVL 2X12D4, a competition-grade subwoofer enclosure. This powerful system is designed to deliver an unmatched audio experience, perfect for any car audio enthusiast. It boasts a peak power of 5,000 watts and an RMS power of 2,500 watts. This ensures that it can handle even the most demanding audio tracks with ease, providing a deep and impactful bass. The subwoofers come pre-mounted and pre-wired internally for a 1 ohm final impedance load at the terminals. This simplifies the setup process, allowing you to quickly integrate it into your existing car audio system. The enclosure is made of high-strength MDF and finished in black carpeting. This not only enhances its durability but also gives it a sleek and professional look. It features a double front baffle design with a countersunk subwoofer design. This provides a flush and attractive appearance, ensuring it looks as good as it sounds. What we like. This subwoofer system is competition-grade, featuring dual 12 subwoofers and a massive 5,000 watt peak power. The enclosure is designed for optimal performance. If you're a bass enthusiast seeking extreme power and performance for your car audio system, this is the one you should consider. What people say. The bass hit so hard I swear I thought my back window was gonna break, and the bass was loud, clean and low. Great subs. Only advice I got for you is rewire them off the half ohm. They slam and you will be heard a distance away, lol. Fits perfect in my 2DR coup and the intensity serves justice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.